M is for maintenance. Many property settlements involve discussions about one of the parties' ability to make ends meet, particularly before final orders are made. The Family Law Act allows for applications for maintenance to be made, with the Act and key decisions outlining clearly the steps required for such an application to be successful. A spouse must be unable to support themselves. That spouse's needs must be reasonable in all the circumstances. The other spouse should have the capacity to meet an order. And finally, an order must be reasonable in accordance with the factors found within Section 75(2) of the Act. The case of Roth Roth, a decision of Judge Turnbull, involved such an application by the wife, whose position was that she could not earn an income and that she had insufficient resources to meet her needs. The husband opposed this application. After reviewing each party's financial statement, Judge Turnbull found that the wife had a reasonable need for maintenance, that the husband could meet this need, and that the maintenance was appropriate and reasonable in all the circumstances.